streaking across the skies at night. What's being termed as a 1 in an 80,000 year event. I won't try to say the name of the comet. Atlas comet that's been visible across the sky. Beautiful to see, of course, with the naked eye. I understand it's been taking a while for your eyes to adjust before you can actually see it, but of course with those enhanced lenses that we have on our cameras and things, beautiful conditions there. Meg Roberts showing off the beautiful end to your Tuesday across the Salt Lake Valley. You can see some of the sun as it went down, the sunset. We had a dry day yesterday. We had near record high temperatures in Salt Lake City, 2 degrees shy of the record. And of course with the dry stretch of weather, we've now had 28 days with no measurable precipitation. September 17th was the last day we had any measurable rain with a tenth of an inch or more. St. George has had a 53-day streak with no rain. August 23rd, the last time we had any moisture. We're going to see some rain on Friday, which is great news for southern Utah, tonight into tomorrow for northern Utah. 62 degrees right now with south winds at the Colonial Flag Shot. You can see that nice south breeze this morning that's keeping temperatures elevated. Black Desert Sky Camera showing off some of the moisture increasing across southern Utah. We have a trough that's been rotating just to the south of the Utah and Arizona state line. The bigger feature, though, is moving in from the northwest as we get into tonight and Thursday. Ahead of our next storm system, this is a early winter storm. Our first batch of winter weather alerts have been issued, so winter storm warnings for the western Uintas, the Wasatch Mountains south of I-80, where we could see a foot to 2 feet of snowfall there. Across the western Book Cliffs, the Wasatch Plateau, the central southern mountain areas, expecting 6 to 12 inches with isolated amounts up to 18 inches of snow. Primarily Thursday late afternoon into Friday evening is when we'll see some of the heaviest snowfall as a trough of low pressure is pushing or barreling into the state. So as we get into your Wednesday afternoon, we'll see increasing south flow. The strong winds, of course, increasing our critical fire weather conditions for today. Along the front, we'll see some showers as it moves in overnight. The core of the storm system sliding in Thursday afternoon and evening. Into Friday, we'll see some heavy snowfall in those mountain areas with the cold air moving in as well. St. George will see a good drop in temperatures from the mid to low 80s today, tomorrow, with a slight chance of showers late Thursday to just 59 degrees on Friday. Plan on rain, windy conditions, as well as slight chance of some showers on Saturday. Temperatures rebounding to the mid to upper 60s for highs, and then mid to upper 70s Monday, Tuesday with plenty of sunshine. Wasatch Front, slight chance of showers throughout your late afternoon and evening. Plan on rain on Thursday. You'll need those umbrellas. 63 for the high, so we drop almost 20 degrees. We drop almost another 10 degrees or more on Friday. Overnight lows in the upper 30s. Snow levels down to roughly 5,000 feet. That's above the valley floors here along the Wasatch Front, but we might see a bit of a wintry mix in on Friday morning. So plan on wet roads the next couple of days after today with your morning commute. Isolated showers on Saturday, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and then 67 Monday, 72. Very comfortable Tuesday next week. Quick check on traffic conditions. Here's a wide view of the Wasatch Front. You can see no major incident or accident icons popping up. Pretty quiet drive, of course, so far, and it's still pretty early in the commute. Drive times from Provo to Salt Lake are looking average at 34 minutes from Provo to Salt Lake I-15 northbound. So drive safely out there, Matt.